open HTML file that I provided to you in Chrome browser. Then after opening the file, right click on it, inspect, click on inspect, copy all the code by command A and command C. Then open terminal, shell, new window, type cd space mail, library slash mail, enter. Then type open space dot, enter. Go to mail, version 9, it could be version 2 or 3. Then mail data, signature, go to mail signature, right click on it, open with text edit. After come here, your case might be from the body tag, where you see doc type. Your case for new file, it will be a body tag. Select underneath all and paste the code, all code from the Chrome browser that you already copied. Then close, save the file. Remember, save the file. Come to the mail, new message, select your signature will appear here. That's all.